Effective classroom management in K-12 and higher education. Introduction. Classroom management is where instructors establish and uphold proper student conduct in educational environments employing non-instructional classroom methods. Effective classroom management can be observed and evaluated to determine its efficacy using various tools, and it entails paying attention to how the classroom area is utilized, creating daily schedules, procedures, and regulations, and effectively sequencing and organizing activities. Effective classroom management can be observed and evaluated using various tools and techniques. Communication between the instructor, parents, and students is crucial for effective classroom management. Classroom management skills can be positive and negative, however, both improve the likelihood of the desired behavior in students. This paper highlights techniques employed to observe and assess the efficacy of effective classroom management, methods that an instructional leader may use to analyze teachers' classroom management at the K-12 and higher education levels. This paper will also highlight scenarios of positive and negative classroom management skills. Assessment. Good classroom management may be evaluated based on student performance and what they can accomplish with their knowledge. Grade-level assessments to check student performance can be assessed using the Missouri Assessment Program. Evaluation of student outcomes might be official or informal, anonymous or public, individualized or collective. Evaluation of classroom management efficacy entails monitoring student educational success as well as strategies to define goals and performance parameters for learners through the production of assignments and tests. Various tools may be used in the observation of classroom management strategies, including STOIC, which represents structure classroom, teach expectations, observe and supervise, interact constructively, and correct fluently, which summarizes the main concepts for an orderly and productive classroom. Using the CHAMPS tool, which stands for conversation, help, activity, movement, participation, and success, impartial observers who are unaware of the intervention status can perform class observations. This approach encourages instructors to adopt successful classroom management tactics by fostering good connections with all learners and increasing their involvement in learning. Classroom-level observations, comprising measurements of teacher application of fidelity and compliance, can be gathered 3 times within teaching periods. At the school year's conclusion, observations can be conducted in classrooms between normal teaching hours, comprising 5 and 20-minute observations completed by an observer on a separate classroom visit. Observers are asked to offer global assessments of various features of a classroom's emotional support and adaptable settings during 20-minute class observations using the Classroom Assessment Scoring System Secondary, Class S. Using the Teacher Observation of Classroom Adaptation Checklist, teachers remark on their observations of children's social and academic conduct. Strategies. Positive management strategies emphasize modifying existing habits or instilling new ones in children by awarding or complimenting them, which improves the likelihood of the desired behavior. In one scenario, at the end of each session, certain learners are rewarded in front of the classroom for actively listening, answering questions, and asking their own questions. The teacher should also ask the rest of the class why the chosen students were rewarded. This will reinforce this desirable trait and encourage more students to participate actively in lessons. However, negative management skills are demonstrated when anything uncomfortable to the students is eliminated to increase the likelihood of the desired actions. In another scenario, the teacher may decide not to assign homework to students over the weekend because they demonstrated good behavior and active class participation. Because homework is usually unpleasant, students will always strive to demonstrate good behavior. Higher education. To perform a classroom management study of teachers in higher education, an educational leader may hire certified independent observers to oversee classes for 5 to 20 minutes while utilizing a variety of instruments, such as the Class S, to offer overall evaluations on the classroom's organization, psychological, and learning resources support. The multi-option observation system for experimental studies may also be used to examine the use of proactive strategies by teachers. These brief 20-minute assessments are responsive to changes over time and are substantially linked with educators' self-reported class management self-efficacy and mental weariness. K-12. The instructional leader may perform a classroom management analysis of teachers in the instance of a K-12 teacher by meeting with parents to discuss their child's development in terms of their social and cognitive interactions. Observations may also be used to see whether the instructor uses visual aids to aid with student comprehension. Kindergarten instructors should concentrate on social and emotional training and proactively set goals such as self-control, excitement, and the establishment of effective language and feelings for improved comprehension of oneself and others. Possessing the emotional, cognitive, and linguistic abilities required to solve social difficulties, as well as improving good self-esteem in social interactions. Conclusion. Effective classroom management entails paying attention to how the classroom area is used, developing daily schedules, procedures, and regulations, and effectively sequencing and organizing activities. Effective classroom management is observed and evaluated using a variety of tools, including the Missouri Assessment Program for Student Performance and STOIC for observing teachers' classroom management strategies. Positive management strategies include rewarding learners, whereas negative management strategies include removing unpleasant actions to achieve desired behaviors. Establishing and maintaining order in the classroom is made possible by effective classroom management, which enhances significant academic understanding and promotes development on the interpersonal and emotional levels. It reduces bad behaviors and lengthens hours spent engaging in academic activities. Students benefit from good classroom management in a wide range of ways. Teachers often struggle with disorganized classroom situations, which can increase stress levels and result in exhaustion. Thus, the implementation of effective classroom management is recommended for every institution.